Today, many people get news and updates from social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Messenger. But sometimes people spread information without checking it if it's true. Like for example, the viral free 51 GB for Labor Day.
Few moments later.
Ang tagal naman ninyo, papasok pa ba siya? Oo nga, ang tagal. Guys, hindi papasok si Ma'am. Uwi na lang kayo tayo.
Tara, uwi na lang tayo.
Wala, ano to? Wait lang.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Yung pira ko sa Gcash na wala. Ano sa akin din? Yung sa'yo dala, tingnan mo nga.
Wala, nasuspindi na lang yung account.
Wala, ano gagawin natin?
Not everything you see on your screen is safe. Once you click that link, they can take everything, your money and your privacy, even your identity. Before you trust a message, post or link, pause and think it is real or this is just a fake news.
If you see 351 GB links, do the spam check. S. Sketchy website name. Hospital, that is just a random letter. Globe uses globe.com.ph. If you can't even pronounce the site name, it's a red flag.
C. Playing sounds too good. 51 for free on Labor Day. When did phone companies become that generous? If it sounds too good to be true, it is.
A. Ask you to share or download. These sites always say share to 10 groups to unlock or download this app to play. Real promos never make you do that.
And missing official details. No gold logo. No contact info. No terms and conditions. Just click here buttons.
Digital responsibility isn't about knowing all the tech, it's about pausing and thinking.
magkasama hanggang pa